Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to enable developer options on Google Pixel 9a. Let's begin. So first of all, you want to go to the settings and then you want to scroll down until we'll see About Phone. You want to click it and then scroll down once again, and right here at the bottom we will see Build Number. We want to click it a couple of times, and now we have to input our current password, and now we are a developer. If we leave this and scroll all the way down, not all the way down, I'm sorry, we should see probably under System, Developer Options. We want to click it, and now we have a nice handful of options that are normally not available to normal users. Anyway, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, please remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.